Peace, love, and light, everybody. Pretty Boss is back. Pretty Boss is back, and I missed her too. Believe that, okay? Anyways, I know I've been ghost since about December. You know what I'm saying? I've done some things after that healing retreat. I gotta have a heart-to-heart with y'all, because before I even get into anything, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. It was supposed to be 3 minutes, all right? But before I even get into anything, I must say this. Let me low down the music in the back, all right? I got 3LW going in the back. Who know about it? Who know about that album? Okay, classic. But anyways, I want to appreciate and say I really, really love all of you. All of you. When I say I got the best supporters, I got the best spiritual team. When I say, even though I haven't been speaking to y'all, I felt the ones of y'all that's been there with me in spirit. I've been feeling your prayers. Appreciate everybody who got me on the altar in a good way. Okay, like real talk, y'all. I'm coming out of the darkest night of the soul, like something I've never experienced in my life. It started in December, like I said, right after the Gatlinburg Pretty Boss TV Healing Retreat. Shouts out to all of my beautiful ladies who came. Best believe we're going to turn up again this year. Okay, we're going to get to that. You know what I'm saying? The turn up is real. Also, I must say Happy New Year, because now is the new year. Got some videos coming. Got some videos coming, okay? All the wait that's happened, trust me, it's going to be worth it. I have so much to say, so much to express, so much new understanding, epiphanies, revelations, you know? God is real. But I must say, y'all, like, real talk, I'm coming out of the darkest night of the soul. I'm like 95% out, you know? And it's so funny because now that everything has ended, that all the confusion I was in, all this stuff, I have clarity like I've never had before. Like I've never had before, you know? And sometimes when we go through things, when we go through those darkest nights, it's not easy, especially because if you truly in the dark night of the soul, you don't see the end of it. You don't know how to get out of it. You know, you might be talking to God, praying to God all that every day. God might even be giving you signs like, boo, it's gonna be okay. But you like, look, I don't see it. How? I'm stuck. What the hell is going on? All right, I know there's some of you that's been going through that now, went through that, coming out of it, about to go through it. Some of y'all about to go through it, haven't been through it yet. But it's a really transformative time right now. I know other people talk about the retrogrades and Uranus in transit and all this type of stuff. Y'all know I don't get into the details about that type of stuff. But I must say, just generally speaking, coming into 2020, I feel like 2020 is the turn of a century. Like 2020 is really gonna distinguish like the light from the dark. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of things that happen. If you're dealing with any energies, anything in your life that's toxic, people, situations, jobs, you know, anything, family members, all of that's coming to a close. I know many of us, especially when I did my meet and greets, what I love about it is that, you know, I meet people who are just like me. You know, we talk about things at the Pretty Boss TV meet and greet. Like, we talking about 1 + 1 is 2. And I know for damn sure the things we talk about in the meet and greets, if I talk about that outside of anything, outside of my people be looking like, what the hell is y'all talking about? But there's some of us who's always felt different. There's some of us who never really felt like we fit in. You could fit in, you know, we could wear the cute clothes, put on the makeup, beat our face, do the swag, you know what I'm saying, talk a little swaggy. But on a spiritual level, it's some of us who's never felt resonated with a lot of things on this planet. A lot of us haven't even felt resonated with the people who we were born into. You know, if you feel like the black sheep of this family, and when I say black sheep, I don't mean the person who's the fuck up, excuse my French. I mean, like, you just don't see things like them. They don't even, your parents don't even understand you. So we're coming out of those energies, and we're really coming into alignment with people who are just like us. You know, when I did my LA meet and greet, first of all, I love the LA meet and greet. I still remember all y'all, you know what I'm saying? But like, when I did the LA meet and greet, I was also out there for a Patreon conference. At the Patreon conference, y'all, that was when I got a glimpse of my future. At this conference, the people who was there, especially the people who I connected with, I was really around speakers, the CEO. I'm a regular person up there, just, you know, coming, but I'm around speakers and presenters just like myself. And the connections I made, the energy, being able to feel safe. I didn't have to feel guarded. I didn't have to feel like people are trying to get stuff from me. I'm sitting there and people are giving me information. Look, this is how I got this. This is how I got this scholarship. This is how I did that. It's like I felt like I was around a whole bunch of me's. It felt like a breath of fresh air. And that made me realize that I didn't have that in my life. Very little of that, I would say. I do have a few friends. You know, my friends aren't necessarily living in my city, but I've learned to reach out to my friends. And it's like even this process has shown me my true 2 or 3 friends that I have. And it's like I realized that a lot of the people who I've let into my life and a lot of the people who's been in my life, it wasn't equal give and take. You understand what I'm saying? And I don't even just mean that in terms of finance. I mean that in terms of spiritual. I mean that in terms of mental, you know, because I feel like what you money, that comes and goes. You know, spirituality, that's a continual journey. Emotions, those are fleeting. But mentally, what do the people who you have in your life have to offer? Mentally. Take everything else out. If you have an issue, who can you call? Who can speak life to you and through you? And what I realized, thank God I do have 1 or 2 friends that can. But until I realized that I got to reach out, y'all, I feel like I'm drowning. I got to call somebody. Like, I didn't have people in my life who I can depend on. I'm always the rock. People always coming to me. I even do consultations. Y'all see what I do with Pretty Boss TV. You know, like I'm a light worker. So I'm always helping. Even my money spell jars, beauty spell jars. Shouts out to everybody who ordered some, okay? I'm still working on orders from December and November. I'm going to put it straight out there, flat out there like that, okay? I've gotten orders off. I've been able to get spurts off when I've had moments of light in my dark night of the soul. But I can do what I can do. I think now I'm probably down to probably getting like 100 more orders out and I will be done. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that again. I don't know what I'm going to do in the future. It's like I'm taking a whole new direction. I'm kind of just following God. One thing I know is that I'm doing Pretty Boss TV. I love to do videos. That's never going to stop. But in terms of creativity, yo, things are about to change. You know, I'm going to go with my flow. I'm going to follow my true heart's desires and do that. And I'm going to teach through my art form. Through all of my art forms, okay? So I said all of that to say this. Make sure that when you come out of this season, when you come out of this dark night of the soul, that you are surrounded and you only let people into your life who is of equal light as you. You know, everybody in the past who wasn't, anybody who might have done you wrong. I know a lot of us have dealt with narcissists. We have dealt with manipulators. And especially when you're a light being, y'all, we get taken advantage of the most, because you have to think, you know, we don't have the mentality of scheming on people. Some people, it's not even to judge, but some people, manipulation is how they survive. You see what I'm saying? So if you've been involved with any of these people, which most light workers have, you feel taken advantage of, this and that, but you have to understand that was part of a process. That was also a process in letting you know who you are. And that was also, some of these things are karmic cycles, you know? So sometimes we go through things and we're like, why? For many different reasons. For one, what we go through isn't about us. You know, it's all about the collective. Everything that I've been through, I mean, even Pretty Boss TV, I wouldn't have this channel if it wasn't for things that I've been through. Everything that resonates with people, the reason people resonate with my videos, even though I don't tell y'all really half of nothing I've been through in any of the videos, it resonates because real recognize real. And I don't mean it is real recognize real. What I mean is when you're seeing somebody, even if I'm not telling you I went through that too, you can just tell from what I'm talking about, I've been there. So I said that to say, if I hadn't been through all the hell I've been through previously, and even from December up until now, I wouldn't be able to help. How can you help somebody if you know nothing about it? A lot of people say, well, they ain't Pretty Boss, you young, like, but you're so wise. But that's because age has nothing to do with it. It's all about experience, and it's all about the things you've been through. You know, in my early 20s, I went through more than I know most 30, 40-year-olds probably even been through. But that's why I'm able to speak life. I used to always be like, why me? Why me, God? Why not me? Because I have work to do. I came on this planet to do one thing. There's souls I'm supposed to touch. I got to be on my P's and Q's to help those souls experience their light. Those souls got souls to touch. We're all in this thing together. So I said that to say, I truly appreciate all of you. I really love y'all. And especially everybody who's been patient with me and understanding. You know, it's been a long road, but it's like the light is finally here. I got videos coming. One of the first videos I'm gonna do, I definitely got a video coming up for this new moon, because now is the new year. So I have a video coming up for the new moon. Patreon, for everybody who's been on Patreon this month, my account was suspended. Now, I didn't even know. I was trying to figure out what was going on with my post and all that. I had some of my Patreons like, hey, can y'all see the post? So my account was suspended, and it kind of put a damper on my March plans. So I did want to say that for my Patreons, that's what happened with that. But I got that fixed. It had something to do with my giveaways. I thought they were trying to tell me I couldn't do giveaways, but I just had to make my giveaways public. So for the ones that I already have, I know I did send out one giveaway gift, already early in March, but for the rest, like I said, I was gonna do a giveaway for my Patreons. I still got that coming. I'm probably gonna be getting out those giveaways in April. It's my birthday month. It's the new year. It's your popping. I'm out of hell. Winter is over. Okay, we're into the springtime, my favorite season anyways. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of let y'all know updates was going on. I know I had been promising the video on soulmates, okay, twin flames, right? Now's the perfect time for me to do it. It was a part of me that knew I wasn't all the way ready to do that video, but now when I tell you I'm 110% ready to do that video, that's probably going to be one of the next videos. I might do it today. It's going to be about soulmates, twin flames, karmics, and divine partners. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about that. Let's talk about it, because I know a lot of us have been on this twin flame journey, but beware, there is a such thing as a fake twin flame, right? And also you could call that a karmic. Okay, but all of these terms, right? So I'm gonna be doing a video about that. I'm gonna be doing videos about how to make money and all that type of stuff, how to be a boss and all that type of stuff eventually. But I feel like right now is a time to really focus on ourselves and really make sure we got that pure connection with our divine channel. That's what I call mine. You can call it God, source, you know, whatever you want to call it. But I want to make sure that's where we're at. That's where I'm at, and that's all I'm focusing on. You know, for anybody who's in a situation right now that you know you're not supposed to be in, that you're seeing it the light now, you're seeing things differently, but you also feel stuck, you don't know how the hell you can get out of it. What I want to say is, you're going to get out of it. God is going to get you out of it. You know, like, just surrender, just give up, just be like, you know what, F it, I'm just going to go to sleep, I'm going to watch TV, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to go get my nails did, and put my little feet up, take my kids to the park. Don't worry about it. Like, I'm serious. Anything that you're going through that you can't control, that you just feel like, God damn, this is bigger than me, like David and Goliath, F it. Just, like, go to sleep. Like, I'm dead ass serious. That's my advice to you. Like, don't even worry about it. You gonna turn around and the whole shit gonna be over just like this, because God gonna come like, here you go, princess. I got your back always. And remember that everything that we go to, don't ever judge yourself. Like, understand that everything is divine timing. You would not be who you are if it wasn't for the things that you've been through. You know, a lot of us hate to experience the dark night, and so I know I sure as hell, woo, I don't wish that on anybody, but at the same time, if you want to experience your greatness, you got to experience your darkness. We talk about the Kabbalah, we talk about the law of rhythm, we talk about the law of polarity. See, I'm so lit right now because it's like, how deep down and dark the space that I was in. Like, I mean, no light. Like, I mean, my light was almost out all the way. You understand what I'm saying? Now I'm about to experience the complete opposite of that. My life is going to be forever changed. Retirement this year, that's just big facts. You know, but it's like, it's to the point, I'm not even coming at y'all like, oh, I got a super plan, I got this. Ain't none of that. I don't have anything. You know, all I have is my God, okay? And I know that I'm where I'm at, and I've always been protected because of my God. And it's like, now that relationship, that's unbreakable. you know, because I'm to a new level now. I know what got me from where I'm at. I know what always has carried me. I know what always brings me my wealth, my inspiration, my creativity, my light. You know, I got my yellow aura back. The yellow and green, you know what I'm saying, with a little blue and purple is back. So I come at y'all pure face. I know y'all like, pretty boys, why you wear makeup, pretty boys? I'm barefaced today, but I'm about to go ahead and turn up, put my lashes on later, do my brows. You know what I'm saying? Get it right, get it tight. I'm being silly, but I just wanted to check in with y'all, like real talk. Oh, and shouts out to the tarot readers on YouTube. Like, when I tell y'all, some of y'all are real deal. And especially, I love the ones who are sensitive to the energy, because some people, you know, when you do spiritual work, you have to be sensitive. Don't be insensitive. I'll just put it like that. So for the people, even for times that I'm going through and I'm listening to videos, it's like, yo, when a person is in your energy, that feels good. It's like you can feel God speaking to them through them. So I want to say shouts out to all of this. It's so many tarot readers. I can't even name the channels. I might do a list. You know, I might have to go through my history and do a list or something. But it's some real people out there, and I really say I appreciate y'all. You know, I got PayPal donations coming. I'm sending. I'm sending out. You know what I'm saying? I got some PayPal donations I will be sending, because y'all have helped me tremendously. People who I don't know. And it's like, I've had a chance to experience how people feel when they come to my channel. You know, I've been getting the comments. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, I've also been able to experience those feelings through other people. It feels great when somebody can speak life to you and through you. And then also my own audience, like some of my Patreon, some of my Pretty Boss TV subscribers are my spiritual family. You know, and it's like, even though I haven't been communicating, trust me, I've been feeling y'all energy. I know y'all been wondering about it, and I appreciate everybody who's prayed for me, because look, we on the other side. Pretty Boss is Bazak. You know what I'm saying? Pretty Boss is Bazak. But I just want to say I love y'all. If you do want to support the channel, patreon.com/PrettyBossTV. I can't promise daily videos. I can't promise weekly videos, but what I can promise is everything that I put out, when I put it out, is going to be divine timing, and it's going to be that heat. One thing I would not ever do, regardless of how much money I'm making or not making, is force content. And I won't force something that I'm not getting a divine channel and doing. So that's how I do my work. If y'all ever see me go ghost or see me do something, that's because guess what? I'm on the spiritual journey too, just like everybody else. You understand what I'm saying? I might have my level of enlightenment, but at the end of the day, we're all here because we're all growing. Another thing I want to touch on is this thing that we talk about, healing. A lot of us spend so much time and energy trying to heal ourselves, and then when you find yourself in a situation, you like, damn, I thought I did all this healing. How the hell is this possible? So what I came to realize is healing is a little bit overrated. You know what I'm saying? Even if you get a gunshot wound, you might heal, but you're gonna have a scar, you see, to remind you of the past. So it's less about healing. We do have to heal ourselves, but it's more about just growth and development. And that's what we on now. We're on spiritual growth and development. Don't put a damper on yourself to be like, oh, I'm healed, I should be healed. Ain't none of that. You know, life is a continual process, but one thing that you can continue to do every day successfully is grow and develop. So I love y'all. I got videos coming, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I'm at the park right now, y'all. You know, I had to come get some fresh air. I might take a walk. Cold in a mug, though. Beautiful day, cold in a mug, okay? So shouts out to everybody where y'all at. I'm so excited to be back. I don't even know what's about to pop off. I just feel the energy. I feel like a divine blessing is about to like fall out of the sky, like dead ass. So anybody who's going through anything right now, trust me, I've been there with y'all. You know, if you're going through something right now, just pull on Pretty Boss energy. Well, no, I don't need everybody to pull on all on my energy. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to be giving me some light. You feel me? Like, I'm healing from some things, but I'm 95% there. That's just real talk. You know, and now it's just been moments of clarity, moments of revelations, epiphany, you know, and focus. Okay, so I love y'all to pieces. I truly appreciate y'all. I appreciate my God. Okay, and I'll talk to y'all later. I love y'all. Peace.